Rajalakshmi ma'am, hi ma'am. Subhashini ma'am, hi, very good evening. Aishwarya ma'am, hi, very good evening. Saran ma'am, hi ma'am. Anita ma'am, hi, very good evening. Anuradha ma'am, hello ma'am. Today what special? So today Salem soft silk and also I've got Banana soft silk ma'am. Few jewelry collection I'll be showcasing. Subhashini ma'am, hi. Sara ma'am, hi. Good evening Mahalakshmi ma'am. Usha Kartik ma'am, hi, very good evening. Sushmita ma'am, hi. Nirmala ma'am, hi. Domchi ma'am, hi ma'am. Gajala ma'am, hi, very good evening. Rajeshri ma'am, hi. Akila ma'am, very good evening. Shailaja ma'am, hi. Jayalakshmi ji, namaste. Shakila ma'am, thank you ma'am. Shalini ma'am, hi. Jeevanya ma'am, hi. उदय मैम हाय मैम किसी का फोन भी इधर नहीं है ना इंस्टा में जा रहा है एफबी में जा रहा है एफबी में जा रहा है मूला मैम हाय मैम नीता मैम हाय संग्रामा मैम हाय वेरी गुड इवनिंग मादंगी मैम हाय मैम उषा मैम वेरी गुड इवनिंग मैम मूला मैम हाय आई एम फाइन प्राची मैम थैंक यू मैम स्मृति मैम हाय वेरी गुड इवनिंग अनुषा मैम हेलो मैम ज्ञानी मैम हाय मैम विनोदिनी मैम हाय अनु मैम हाय Chaitra ma'am, hi, very good evening. Devi ma'am, very good evening. Sandhya ma'am, hi. Hema ma'am, hi. Vijayalakshmi ma'am, hi. Neck piece is for sale. So these are original stones. So I'll showcase. So this also I'll showcase today. Hamida ma'am, hi ma'am. I received sari and blouse piece. They are very good. Thank you, Prachi ma'am. Thank you for the feedback. Sheetal ma'am, hi ma'am. Thank you, Sheetal ma'am. Archana ma'am, hi. Vanakkam Surendra Babu ma'am, vanakkam. Kavita ma'am, thank you so much. Vatsala ma'am, today live is yes, live is only going Vatsala ma'am. Looking very pretty. Thank you, Sujata ma'am. Babita ma'am, hi. Fexi ma'am, hi. Aarti ma'am, hello ma'am. Anthony ma'am, hi. Chaya ma'am, hi. Shanmugalingam ma'am, hi. Anita ma'am, hi. Looking beautiful as usual. Thank you, Shalini ma'am. My sari PP is 1999. I'm having 4 pieces available and also few of the colors available in my sari. So this design we have already showcased in one of the live show. So this is still available for booking. I have restocked with multiples. Few colors has been restocked. So this sari will get jacquard pattern blouse piece. So I have few of the colors available in this. If you want to book the sari, please check with any of the link available in the description box. Ma'am, my velvet blouse is over, ma'am. This is Nidarshana's product only, but it is over. I am fine, Anna, ma'am. Ria, ma'am, hi. Hello, ma'am. Hello, Rekha, ma'am. So this is Rama blue with the royal blue. So this piece is also available. It comes with the jacquard pattern blouse piece. ये एक साड़ी मुझे खोलो. Geeta ma'am, hi ma'am. The launching series of next piece received beautiful ma'am. Thank you Dora ma'am. Thank you so much. So that is the first piece we launched in Nidarshana. Thank you so much Dora ma'am. Very cute. Thank you Fexi ma'am. Jamuna ma'am, hi ma'am. मैं ये साड़ी आपको खोल के दिखाती हूँ. सो दिस इज वी हैव ऑलरेडी डन द लाइव दिस साड़ी. तो मैं कलर सिर्फ कलर शोकेस करती हूँ. सारी सुपर. थैंक यू वसंती मैम. लता मैम हाय मैम. गीतांजलि मैम हाय. लुकिंग प्रिटी. थैंक यू शीला मैम. Broad border saris. Yes, ma'am, I do have a broad borders. In Banarasi also, I have a broad borders, ma'am. So this is one of the color. Rani pink with a green color combination. So the one what I'm draping today. So just to showcase the pallu and the blouse piece, I have opened one sari. Okay, this is the border. A kind of beautiful big motif on your border, and that's your Buddha body. Whole body carries this Buddha. So that's your copper weaving body, grey silver Banarasi border sari stock me. गरिमा मैम ग्रे सिल्वर बनारसी बॉर्डर वाला कौन सा है? सिल्वर 1399 वाला है मैम. कौन सा गरिमा मैम? सिल्वर में कौन सा है? ग्रे में नहीं मैम मुझे समझ में नहीं आया. 6 numbers of sarees all are very good. Thank you Salimina ma'am. Thank you so much. Looking beautiful. Thank you Geetanjali ma'am. This is the pallu for this saree. Jacquard pallu. Same color का blouse piece आ जाएगा. That's your jacquard pattern blouse piece. So for this saree also you will get a jacquard pattern pallu and the jacquard pattern blouse piece. Okay, 1999 free shipping is the price for this saree. So these are premium qualities. आप जैसे आप प्लीट करते हैं वैसे आपको रुकेगा ये साड़ी. So it's a premium quality saree. So you won't feel like a polyester or nylon mix. Lightweight saree Priyanka ma'am. Trust me, this is lightweight saree. Can easily carry the saree for whole day. Okay, ये आपको नंबर नहीं है. इसमें 3 pieces available. तो उसमें और एक कलर मैं जो पहनी हूँ वो कलर भी अवेलेबल है, 4 पीसेस. सो दिस इज पिस्ता ग्रीन. So pista green with green color combination. Okay, this is one of the color. If you want to book these sarees, please take a screenshot and ping my dealer's link. So they are available in the description box. The one what I am wearing today, it is not blood red or a pink. It's a mix of tomato red. Okay, reddish pink है ये, mix color है. आज तो सॉफ्ट सिल्क सुजाता मैम, सेलम का सॉफ्ट सिल्क प्रोडक्ट है मेरे पास, एंड देन बनारसी का सॉफ्ट सिल्क है. 5 पीसेस मैम. ओके, ग्रीन के साथ डार्क मजंता. आई हैव 5 पीसेस अवेलेबल इन दिस. Okay, and also the winners, I just want to inform the winners name who are all guessed 1,199 for the jewelry. Last week live show में जो भी लोग 1,199 1,200 guess किए थे ना, so I have selected 3 of them. So 3 of them will be receiving the jewelry. वो मेरा ब्लू फोन है ना, उसमें विनर्स का नाम है. इसके पास है ब्लू फोन. खुशी लेके दे, खुशी की टेंडर वाइन कर देता. Okay, this is one more piece, 1,999. 1,999 is the price of this sari, ma'am. It's a beautiful sari, lightweight sari. You can easily drape this sari. Okay, I have one more color in this, magenta, the opposite combination of the previous sari. Magenta with the green combination. Okay, jacquard pallu and the jacquard blouse piece will come. Good evening, Rohini, ma'am. Okay, so this is one more color available, 1,999 free shipping. Yes, 1,999 free shipping is the price for this sari. Sari number nahi hai Nisha ma'am, please take a screenshot. So my team will take the booking for this sari. So screenshot shots are sufficient for this sari. ये earring है. So 3 of them are selected for the complimentary gift. So the earring worth is 525. So इसका price है 525. आपको बिग मोनालिसा स्टोन के साथ मल्टी स्टोन. So 3 of them we have selected for the gift. My blouse is over, Priya ma'am. This is over. We have done more than 6 months. It is the pieces are done. We don't have more pieces in this. It is done. So so this is one color. The person name I'll announce. Please give your address to my team. आप थोड़ा address दे देंगे तो so it will be easy for us to dispatch the earrings. Kavita Adade ma'am, Chaya Anjali ma'am, Vijayalakshmi Jayagopi ma'am. Grey and maroon combination. देखती हूँ स्मृति मैम. Deepa ma'am, please check the description box. Come out from the live video and check in my page. There is a description box just above the video. You can book in that link. Baijanti ma'am, hi ma'am, very good evening. Shamini ma'am, hi ma'am. Vijayalakshmi ma'am, hi. The winner's name is Kavita Adade, Chaya Anjali, Vijayalakshmi, Jayagopi. So if they are watching my live, please comment below your neck piece price. So this is set ma'am, 2,599 is the price for this set. I'll explain. So this is the original beads used in this set. So this is not crystal, this is the original beads. These are original beads used in this set. So ये आपका पूरा ओरिजिनल है. दिस इज ओरिजिनल मोनालिसा एंड दिस ऑल ओरिजिनल. 2,599. इसका मैचिंग इयरिंग निकालो लक्ष्मी. ब्यूटीफुल नेक पीस एंड इयरिंग. थैंक यू मैम. हाँ मेरा एक निकालो. तो मेरा जो नेक पीस है उसके एक दो उसके साथ ये वाला इयरिंग्स आ जाएगा. सो दिस इज द इयरिंग फॉर माई नेक पीस. ये आपका ओरिजिनल स्टोन है. दीज स्टोन्स आर ओरिजिनल. सो दिस इज नॉट प्लास्टिक. सो दिस इज ओरिजिनल स्टोन. ये पूरा कंप्लीट सेट इज ओरिजिनल. 2,599 है. So this is green. What I'm wearing is green. आपको ये वाला इयरिंग आ जाएगा उसके साथ मैचिंग इयरिंग. दिस इज द मैचिंग इयरिंग. माई फोन नंबर तनुश्री मैम, आई डोंट हैव अ फोन नंबर. द बुकिंग लिंक आई शोकेस हाउ टू बुक. That I can help you out. So in my page. So go to my page. Please check my page. Go to my page and please check the description box just above the video. So you can get the description box just above the video. Okay. Yes, you can check the description box here. In my page only you can get these links. If you are watching my live, please come out from the live and these are the booking links available just above my video. Vasini, happy birthday dear. Happy birthday. Okay, the winner's name I have informed. So please get in touch with my team. So please give the address to them. So it will be easy for me to ship the earrings. So this is brick color. So for one of them I have a sea blue, and for one more is sea green. So for three of them I'm giving this set. The price is 525 rupees worth earring. I'm giving as a complimentary. Your green set is so awesome. It's 259 for both. Ma'am, only the neck piece Rani, ma'am. So it will come with the earring. So I'll showcase the colors. So this is the original beads used in this jewelry. ये आपका original beads are not the plastic. So these are original. So the beads are original. Okay, ये आपको बड़ा बड़ा मोनालिसा का natural beads आ जाएगा. ये आप देख सकते हैं. These are natural stones. Okay, ये आपका natural है. उसके साथ आपको gold balls आ जाएगा with रेड कलर स्टोन वर्क के साथ. ओके, दिस इज वन ऑफ द पीस इन पीच कलर. इसका इयरिंग ये आपका कंप्लीट सेट का प्राइस इज 2599. ये आपको इयरिंग बहुत सिंपल इयरिंग आ जाएगा इसका. ओके, दिस इज द कंप्लीट सेट 2599. सो दिस इज द कंप्लीट सेट. ओके, ये पीच कलर में है. टू हाईलाइट दिस, इसमें फ्लैट पीच नहीं आया है, उसके साथ थोड़ा रेडिश पीच भी आया है. Okay, to highlight the piece. 2599 इसका worth है. So one more color I have, purple. So this is purple shade. तनुश्री मैम, आप ऑर्डर नहीं कर पा. मैम आपको मैं इनबॉक्स करती हूँ तनुश्री मैम. சாரு கிட்ட சொல்லி இப்ப லைவ்ல வந்து தனுஸ்ரீ சின்ஹா அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு லைவ்ல அவங்க எழுதிட்டு இருக்காங்க. அவங்களுடைய இன்பாக்ஸ் கொஞ்சம் போயிட்டு அவங்களுக்கு வந்து எப்படி புக்கிங் பண்றது, புக்கிங் லிங்க் அது அப்படி இல்லைனாக்கா स्टाफ नंबर போட சொல்லி. तनुश्री मैम आप थोड़ा मैसेंजर में पिंग कीजिए ना, मेरा फेसबुक पेज के अंदर मैसेंजर में थोड़ा पिंग कीजिए. मेरा स्टाफ है ना, आपको रिप्लाई करेगी. ठीक है. लाइट वेट साड़ी मैम, साड़ी इज लाइट वेट एंड द नेक पीस इज लाइट वेट. एवरीथिंग व्हाट आई एम कैरिंग टुडे इज ऑल आर लाइट वेट. सो दिस इज पर्पल. ये डार्क पर्पल कलर है. दिस इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द ब्यूटिफुल शेड. डार्क पर्पल, उसके साथ मैचिंग इयरिंग. इफ यू वांट यू कैन टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट. ओके, सो दीज ऑल available for bookings. 2599 है इसका प्राइस. So these are original stones used in this jewelry. This is one more. ये थोड़ा ब्रिक कलर के साथ जा रहा है. ब्रिक एंड द ब्राउन. ओके, सो थोड़ा ऑरेंजिश ब्राउन है इसका कलर. 2599 फ्री शिपिंग. इसका प्राइस 2599 फ्री शिपिंग. These are original stones used in this jewelry. Earrings. इसका मैचिंग इयरिंग है. So this is the matching earring for this jewelry. Okay, ये आपका complete set. Nice jewelry. Thank you, ma'am. 2599 free shipping. You can have a closer look of this jewelry. So this is not crystal or plastic. This is original stones used in this jewelry. Okay, so these are Western malas. 2599 free shipping is the price. हो गया ना इसका? इसका हो गया. So the earring, what I'm wearing, the earring is a kundan. So this is kundan. Back foiling has been done with the beautiful Mona Lisa and the hydro beads. So this is the kundan earring what I'm wearing. Okay, this is original kundan what I'm wearing. 1495. So 1495 is the price of this kundan jewelry. Okay, you can have a closer look. PP of my sari is 1999, ma'am. So I'm starting with the sari. Sari number 1. It's a Banarasi soft silk sari. The same fabric. What I'm draping today, same fabric, but the design is different. So beautiful purple ke saath green color combination. Thank you, Ramya Vani, ma'am. Any discounts for loyal long-term customers? Layat, ma'am, please get in touch with the team. If you are taking regularly, please get in touch with my team. Okay, this is purple. So dark purple के साथ green color combination. आज का price क्या है? Number 1. हाँ? होगा. नहीं देखी. ऐश्वर्या को पूछ. Jewelry എടുക്കണം. Dark purple with a green color combination. That's your beautiful peacock motif on your complete sari. So these are weaving done on your complete sari with the copper weaving, and that's the back process of the sari. Okay, this is the back. and that's the pallu. So beautiful pallu, उसके साथ जकार्ड पैटर्न का ब्लाउज पीस. लास्ट टाइम वही गलती किए थे ना आप लोग, इसलिए उसका प्राइस रिड्यूस हुआ. So this is the blouse piece for this saree. This is the complete look. Purple के साथ green color का combination. 2299 free shipping is the price for this saree. That's your saree number 1. Okay, complete saree has this peacock motif. Peacock and the mango motif has been done on your complete saree. So these are premium quality sarees. What I'm showcasing. Okay, 2299 free shipping is the price for this saree. Saree number 2. Cream के साथ green. Can you pleat the saree and show? Yes, Nayana ma'am, I'll do. So this is cream. Cream के साथ green color combination. Okay. मैम आपको नीचे वाला प्लीटिंग चाहिए या कैसा चाहिए मैम? Because I have already pleated the saree. If you want to see my draping, that is also helps, I think so. मैम you can check my draping. मेरा ड्रेपिंग आप देख सकते हैं. दिस इज कम्प्लीटली अ सॉफ्ट साड़ी. आपको नाइलॉन और पॉलिस्टर का जैसा आपको फील नहीं होगा. यू कैन चेक माई प्लीटिंग. ओके, ये आपको बहुत ही सॉफ्ट प्लीटिंग है. यू कैन चेक माई कंप्लीट प्लीटिंग ऑफ द साड़ी. जमदानी sarees right now, no ma'am. Yeah, that's your cream with a green color combination. If you watch recorded live, how to book? Amuda ma'am, same thing. There is a description box. If you watch recorded also, there is a description box just above the recorded video. Links are given. Book कैसे करनी है मैम? Please check the description box मैम. This is the pallu, the blouse piece. And this is the blouse piece for this saree. 2299 free shipping is the price for this saree. 2299. So this is the sleeve portion and this is the body. Saree number 2. 2299 free shipping. Saree number 3 is the same combination what I'm wearing today. Tomato red के साथ green color combination. So these products are completely dry clean product. Please go with the dry clean. Don't do a hand wash or shampoo wash. Please do a dry clean. So these are dyeable sarees. Saree number 3. So tomato red with a green color combination. 2299 free shipping. Okay. Weight of the saree is 550 grams. Okay. So this is the complete look. 2299 free shipping. Colors दिखा दो. Oh. Saree number 4 green. So green के साथ magenta color combination. Okay, dark green with a magenta. Saree number 4. So that's the complete look. 2299 free shipping is the price for this saree. That's the beautiful pallu and that's the blouse. That's your complete look of the saree. Saree number 4. 2299 free shipping. My BB is sold out, Asha ma'am. Completely sold out it is. 5. Saree number 5. Grey के साथ dark navy blue color combination. Okay. So this is navy blue. Grey color with the navy blue color combination. 2299 free shipping. That's your saree number 5. So these are limited pieces. This is available for today's booking. Saree number 6. Sapphire green with a magenta color combination. Okay. This is magenta with the sapphire color. Okay. Beautiful shade. Awesome collection. Thank you, Rashmi ma'am. 2299 free shipping. Organza sarees available. Yes, Malika ma'am, available. You get in touch with my team, they'll send you the photographs. Available photographs, they'll send you. Because we have done so many organza shows. Saree number 6 it is. Saree number 7. It's a lime green. Light lime green, otherwise pista green mein jayega. Very mild shade it is. Mild green with a dark green color combination. Okay. 2299 free shipping is the price for this saree. Saree number 7. 8. Saree number 8. Royal blue with a copper sulfate blue color combination. Beautiful royal blue. Royal के साथ copper sulfate blue. 2299 free shipping. COD नहीं है कुसुमा मैम. 9. Saree number 9 cream के साथ dark purple. Okay. So this is dark purple wine shade. Dark wine shade है. Okay. Very nice collection. Thank you Charu ma'am. This is cream with a beautiful wine color. Saree number 9. 2299 free shipping is the price for this saree. 10. Saree number 10, Rani pink with a green color combination. Okay, Rani pink with a green color combination. Saree number 10, 2299 free shipping. Yes, 2299 free shipping is the price. Khadi Jarjet, yes ma'am, few colors are available in Khadi Jarjet, Sunita ma'am. 11, saree number 11, it's a Firozi blue with the royal blue color combination. Okay, Firozi ke saath royal blue. 2299 free shipping is the price for this saree. The number of the saree is 11. No ma'am, Mal cotton abhi though not available, Rashmi ma'am. 12, saree number 12, navy blue with a sapphire green color combination. Okay, saree number 12. 2299 free shipping is the price for this saree. 13. It's a mustard. Mustard में ये copper जो weaving है gold जैसा दिख रहा है. So this is mustard. Proper mustard color. उसके साथ green color का combination. Okay, last color in this catalog. 2299 free shipping is the price for this saree. हाँ ऐसे दिखाएंगे. So moving to the Salem soft silk saree, the price of the saree is 1899 free shipping. Shruti ma'am, hello ma'am. Very good evening. So in between anybody did not like my page and did not follow my page, please go back, do like and follow my page and come back to my live show. So because whoever newly joined here, so आज तो आपको पेज मिला होगा, लाइव शेयरिंग कर रहे हैं मेरी टीम, तो इसीलिए आपको मिला होगा. So आप लोग कल आएंगे तो you will forget the page name, so you will struggle to see the live. So that's why I'm telling you, please like and follow my page and come back and join my live. Yesterday B1 number saree available मैम, peach with pink. बनारस number 1 peach with pink available है क्या पूछ रहे हैं? बनारस ये लास्ट ये आपका ये पल्लू है ना, इस पल्लू है, इसका ब्लाउज पीस कौन सा है इसका? ये है ब्लाउज पीस. So these are Salem soft silk fabric. So this is half and half pattern. ये एक साड़ी खोलेंगे क्या? I'll open one saree and other sarees I'll showcase only the colors because the foldings will go. If when you receive the product without foldings, even you feel like the saree is not properly folded. Okay, these are very difficult to fold. These foldings are very difficult. So that's why I'm not opening the saree. I'm opening one saree. Okay, each design I'll be opening one saree. B1 नहीं है? No ma'am, B1 is sold out. Waiting for my life. Thank you, Richa ma'am. Thank you so much. Rajini ma'am, hi ma'am. Yes, you can check the fabric. That's why I opened the saree. You can check the fabric. I'll just put the camera down. Okay, in Insta also I'll put the camera down. Okay. My saree price is 1999 ma'am. Pravesh ma'am, thank you so much. So that's your half and half pattern. So it's a soft silk fabric. You can guess the fabric from the camera. So this will not give you a polyester or nylon look. It's a proper soft silk fabric from the Salem city. Okay, that's your beautiful copper weaving. Half and half ka pattern hai, beautiful color. Trust me, the color ranges what I've got today, mind-blowing colors. All are pastel shades, all are different shades. ये आपका limited edition of sarees. So this also I want to highlight. So these are limited edition. ये आपका color है pink के साथ onion color. Very beautiful shade in the upper portion. ये आपका पल्लू आ जाएगा. So that's your heavy pallu. ये आपको दिख रहा है ना? So this is the heavy pallu of this saree. Velvet blouse, Anita ma'am, no ma'am. So these all we sold 6 months back, completely washed out. Okay, this is the pallu. आपको running color का blouse piece आ जाएगा. Half and half pattern. What you can do is you can keep this as your blouse body and this dark portion you can keep as your sleeves. So again, that's up to your choice. ये आप कैसे भी रख सकते हैं. Either you can go for this as a blouse body or this portion. Okay. PP is 1899. Very beautiful shades. So these are very beautiful shade in off and off pattern. Sweetie ma'am, thank you ma'am. So that's your beautiful pink के साथ onion, dual tone, not flat onion color it is. ये थोड़ा पिंक के साथ ऑनियन कलर मिक्स हुआ है, उसके साथ ब्यूटीफुल रानी कलर. ये आपका ब्यूटीफुल रानी है. ब्यूटीफुल, द फैब्रिक इज एक्सेलेंट फैब्रिक. ये आपका पल्लू. ओके, ब्यूटीफुल हाफ एंड हाफ पैटर्न में ही पल्लू आ रहा है ना लक्ष्मी? हाँ. यस, हाफ एंड हाफ पैटर्न में पल्लू आ रहा है. एंड देन दिस इज द ब्लाउज पीस. ये नहीं है ना, ये आपका ब्लाउज पीस है. अगेन योर चॉइस, यू कैन कीप डार्क पिंक एज योर बॉडी, अदरवाइज पिंकिश ऑनियन एज योर बॉडी. ओके, 1899 फ्री शिपिंग. इसका नंबर क्या है? 14. So that's your sari number 14. Beautiful color. So these are limited edition. So we received as a sample. So grab the saris. So if you really like the sari, just don't think, grab it. Okay, ये आपका one more color. Daksha ma'am, hi ma'am, you are looking very beautiful. Thank you Anandi Sri ma'am. So this is one more beautiful, all are pastel shade. ये कलर सब आपको नहीं मिलेगा, ट्रस्ट मी. ये कलर बहुत ही यूनिक कलर है, उसके साथ टील ब्लू कलर का कॉम्बिनेशन. So you can check the combination. Okay, so this is beautiful pastel blue है. ये pastel blue के साथ dual tone silver tone के अंदर जा रहा है. Okay, थोड़ा metallic look दे रहा है साड़ी, blue के अंदर metallic look. So that's your teal blue. Okay, so that's your copper weaving साड़ी. बहुत soft है ये साड़ी. And this is the pallu. Half and half pallu का portion. And this is the blouse piece. Okay, 1/8. And the style can't. This is thank you Richa ma'am, thank you so much. Okay, beautiful color, all the colors are so beautiful. Even I am confused. I thought of taking one for me. Yesterday night I was asking my husband, trust me, I was asking my husband, so which one shall I take? Real seriously I got confused, कौन सा लेना है मुझे. All are beautiful shades. Okay, couldn't see properly, lower half नहीं दिख रहा है क्या आपको? So I'll go back. This is steel blue. This is metallic blue. थोड़ा metallic के साथ जा रहा है ये, blue के साथ. This is steel blue. Okay, this is the complete look. Half and half pattern. Okay, 1899 free shipping. Saree number 15. That's your saree number 15. சரண்யா இங்க வாங்க, இது மட்டும் நீங்க இங்க இருந்து வாங்கிக்கோங்க. Saree number 16. This is teal green. वो teal blue है, this is teal green है. So this is teal green. थोड़ा metallic green के साथ जा रहा है. So it's all English shades it is. Okay, that's the butta on your sari. Half and half pattern, half and half का pallu and the blouse piece आ जाएगा. 1899 free shipping is the price for this sari. All are beautiful shades, very soft to drape sari, very soft, damn soft it is, butter kind of soft sari it is. Okay, so one more. So this is also beautiful color combination. 17. Sari number 17. ये आपका थोड़ा लैवेंडर के साथ थोड़ा मेटालिक जैसा है ये कलर. सो लैवेंडर एंड द मेटालिक मिक्स विद अ ब्यूटीफुल ब्राउन कलर. ये आपका ब्राउन कलर का नीचे का आ जाएगा, ये नीचे का घेरा है. सो इट्स इन ब्राउन कलर. 1899 फ्री शिपिंग. साड़ी नंबर क्या है इसका? 17. दैट्स योर साड़ी नंबर 17. आपको हेवी पल्लू है, एज यूजुअल आपको हेवी पल्लू आ जाएगा इसमें. Okay, that's the heavy pallu for this saree. Saree number 17. Vani ma'am, hi ma'am. Sudha ma'am, hi ma'am. Asunta ma'am, hi. Preeti ma'am, thank you so much Preeti ma'am. 18. So ये थोड़ा beautiful color. This is copper. ये थोड़ा copper के साथ green जा रहा है. What a color. Seriously. Beautiful color. So copper के साथ green mix. ये आपका ऊपर का बॉडी है एंड दिस इज द नीचे वाला बॉडी. ओके, ये नीचे वाला बॉडी आ जाएगा. ठीक दिखा रही हो ना? यस, दिस इज नीचे वाला पोर्शन है. थैंक यू वानी मैम. आपको एज यूजुअल पल्लू, ग्रैंड पल्लू मिल जाएगा. दिस इज द पल्लू फॉर दिस साड़ी. तो एकदम बढ़िया साड़ी, कॉपर के साथ ग्रीन कलर मिक्स. यू कैन चेक द टोन. ओके, 1899 फ्री शिपिंग इज द. Sri Kavi ma'am, my main secret is my son Sri Kavi ma'am. I will give him for free for you. You just take him home. I'll give him free. Okay, 1899 free shipping. Today's collection super. Thank you Smriti ma'am. 19. ये थोड़ा बुट्टा चेंज है क्या? नहीं मैम. So this is also metallic के साथ जा रहा है. Blouse color is running ma'am. Running Raji ma'am. जो भी आप देख रहे हैं ना, so whatever you are seeing here, no, the same combination comes as your blouse. Plain में आ जाएगा. So either, as I said, keep this as your body or keep this as your body. Your choice. Okay, this is navy blue. Metallic blue के साथ navy blue color combination. Okay, that's the pallu and the body. ये आपको complete body में आ जाएगा. Half and half pattern it is. 1899 free shipping. PP of my saree is 1999 Pushpa Nair ma'am. 1999 free shipping is the price of my saree. So this sari price is 1899 free shipping. That's your sari number
19.
19. That's your sari number 19. Chaya ma'am, hi ma'am. ये थोड़ा नीचे करो. 20. ये ब्लैक है ना? 20 ब्लैक है ना? ये ग्रीन है. ग्रे, स्टोन ग्रे. ब्लैक जैसा है बट दिस इज स्टोन ग्रे. अगेन मेटालिक कलर ऊपर आपको, एंड दैट्स द बॉडी. सो कंप्लीट पल्लू. इट्स इन अगेन हाफ एंड हाफ पैटर्न का पल्लू है. Singles color in it. Banu ma'am, single color I don't have. Banu ma'am, I have contrast color only available. So this time have got all the contrast. No single color. ये आपका grey color. This is looking like a black, but this is grey, not actually black color. 1899 free shipping is the price for this sari number 20. Sari number is 20. 21. So metallic color के अंदर green color जा रहा है इसमें. Okay, so that's your body. Okay, 21 साड़ी नंबर. इसमें आपको heavy पल्लू आ जाएगा. Okay, this is the pallu for this sari. 1899 free shipping is the price for this sari. That's the complete look. Okay, that's your metallic green kind of half body, and that's your lower half.
Mom, design दूसरा.
Yes. एक ही है. So और एक में डिजाइन एक हो. 22 साड़ी नंबर 22. थोड़ा पिंक के साथ ब्लू जा रहा है ऊपर, डुअल टोन. सो पिंक के अंदर ब्लू जा रहा है इसमें. ओके, दैट्स द. ये कुछ उल्टा कुछ दिए क्या? नहीं है ना? नहीं है.
ऊपर प्लेन है, नीचे बुट्टा है.
इसमें भी थोड़ा बुट्टा देखी थी मैं. दिस इज द पल्लू. ओके, ये आपका कंप्लीट बॉडी. ऊपर भी அந்த சாரிலயும் மேல ஃபுல்லா புட்டா இருக்கா? மேல ஃபுல்லா புட்டா இருக்கான்னு நினைச்சேன். ओके, ऑल द साड़ीज यू विल गेट बुट्टा. ये आपको ये जो बुट्टा है ना, ऑल द साड़ीज में यू विल गेट दिस बुट्टा. ओके, हाफ एंड हाफ पैटर्न, कंप्लीट साड़ी इन बुट्टा. दिस इज पिंकिश ब्लू डुअल टोन. दिस इज प्रॉपर नेवी ब्लू. 1899 free shipping. This is the pallu. आपको मैचिंग ब्लाउज पीस विल बी सेम कलर. बॉडी कलर, व्हाट इज द बॉडी कलर? द सेम कलर विल कम एज योर ब्लाउज पीस. 1899 free shipping is the price for this saree. Saree number
22.
22. That's your saree number 22. இந்த பக்கம் அது உள்ள வருது. உள்ள இருக்கு. அது டபுள் லேயர் இருக்கிறதுனால க்ளீனா விசிபிளா இருக்காது. My saree, ma'am, please take a screenshot. Jyoti ma'am. Jyoti Lakshmi ma'am, please take a screenshot of my sari. 23. Sari number 23. So this is metallic blue. ये जो है pastel blue, थोड़ा metallic के अंदर जा रहा है. So this is pastel again. उसके साथ half of the portion will be maroon के साथ blue tone, dual tone. जो भी body tone है वो tone नीचे आ रहा है. ठीक है? So you will get a triangle pattern. And also one request from my side. So these all weaving sarees. Okay, completely a weaving saree. So this is extra threads. So what you can see is these all extra threads. Either you can cut this thread. Okay, so these are not damages. So see, the weavers are really struggling because for the thread pulls, for the double weaving, single thread missing. So we all actually we are returning the sarees. So weavers are really struggling, especially handloom weavers are really struggling. So these you can cut it. These all extra threads you can cut it. That is my kind request. So these all not comes under the damage. Okay. So these are weaving sarees. So this is the look. Half portion will be metallic blue and half of the portion will be dual tone of maroon and the blue. Okay, that's your pallu. Half and half pallu, the complete jacquard weaving, and that's your blouse piece. Again, half and half pattern blouse piece. Okay, 1899 free shipping is the price for this saree. It's a soft silk, ma'am. So you can check the fabric. This is soft silk, very smooth material. 24. Saree number 24, magenta. So metallic blue के साथ magenta. So magenta with the blue color combination. Okay. आपको complete body में बुट्टा आ जाएगा. So this is the body बुट्टा and नीचे वाला में भी आपको बुट्टा आ जाएगा. Okay. With a complete jacquard pallu and the blouse piece. 1899 free shipping. Number क्या इसका?
24.
24. That's your saree number 24. Okay. 25. Again, beautiful combination, 25. So that's your violet. Violet with a dual tone. Light fuchsia pink with a violet color combination. So these are dual tone body. Okay, this is the sari. This is the complete look. So dual tone body, half of the portion will be dual tone. Okay, उसके साथ आपको grand pallu आ जाएगा. With a matching blouse piece, 1899 free shipping. Sari number
25.
25. 26 gold के साथ excellent color. Gold के साथ sapphire color combination. Okay. Okay, this is the look. ये आपका पल्लू है and this is the body. Excellent combination it is. 1899 free shipping is the price for this saree. Okay, you can check.
Very different, ma'am.
थोड़ा 19-20 है मैं देख लिया.
Double shades.
इसका प्राइस ये नंबर क्या है?
27.
27. साड़ी नंबर 27. That's your skin color. और डुअल टोन ऑफ स्किन कलर है ये विथ येलो. येलो, हाँ येलो में जा रहा है थोड़ा. ओके, दैट्स योर स्किन कलर. की साड़ी का पीपी कोट. मेरा साड़ी का पीपी इज 1999 कल्पना मैम. तो दिस इज पर्पल. स्किन कलर के साथ पर्पल जा रहा है. 1899 फ्री शिपिंग. साड़ी नंबर 27. साड़ी नंबर 28. ये थोड़ा अलग कलर है. सो दिस इज डार्क. सो दिस कलर इज लिटिल डार्क. दिस इज पिंक. थोड़ा पिंक जा रहा है इसमें. ओके, पिंक के साथ सेम कॉम्बिनेशन पर्पल. ओके, 1899 फ्री शिपिंग. सॉफ्ट सिल्क सुनीता मैम. साड़ी का पीपी आई मीन द फैब्रिक इज सॉफ्ट सिल्क. 1899 फ्री शिपिंग. 28 साड़ी नंबर 29. साड़ी नंबर 29. सो मेटालिक ब्लू. ऊपर मेटालिक ब्लू है, नीचे आपको रेड के साथ ब्लू कलर कॉम्बिनेशन. ओके, दैट्स द लुक. 1899 free shipping. Any gray maroon combination? Ma'am, this is gray maroon, ma'am. So this is gray maroon. This is metallic gray with a maroon. So one more gray maroon.
30.
30 saree number. This is gray with a maroon color combination. Okay, ये आपका maroon with a gray color combination. 30. If you want to book the saree, immediately book the saree in the description box link, because these are limited edition I brought for today's live. Okay, 1899 free shipping. Mekla ma'am, 1899 free shipping Mekla ma'am. So onion color, onion with a pink mix. So this is onion color with a rani color combination. Okay, ये आपका रानी कलर का combination. COD no ममता मैम. COD नहीं है. You are welcome स्मृति मैम. This is rani pink with a प्याज का color. So उसमें pink ज्यादा आ रहा है इसमें. 1899 free shipping is the price for this saree. Okay. 32 लैवेंडर के साथ पिंक कलर कॉम्बिनेशन. तो ऊपर जो शेड है दिस इज लैवेंडर. लैवेंडर विद पिंक कलर कॉम्बिनेशन. ओके, 32 साड़ी नंबर 1899 फ्री शिपिंग इज द प्राइस फॉर दिस साड़ी. लास्ट कलर इन दिस कैटलॉग 33. साड़ी नंबर 33 थोड़ा रेडिश के साथ जा रहा है. मेरून एंड द रेड भी नहीं है, मेरून के साथ पिंक जा रहा है. ओके, पिंक एंड द मेरून कलर कॉम्बिनेशन. दैट्स योर ब्राउन कलर. Okay, 1899 free shipping is the price for this saree. Beautiful saree and awesome combination. Thank you, Shruti ma'am. So moving to the one more Banarsi soft silk. So today, so all from Banarsis I have got. So only this product is from Salem. So these are Banarsi soft silk in a premium quality. Okay, saree number क्या है इसका? 34. Hema Mahima is my dealer, Suman ma'am. You can go ahead booking with her. You can go ahead, Suman ma'am. She is my authorized dealer. If you have any doubt, please ask her dealership card. Say they will be, my dealers are keeping the authorized dealership card of Nidarshana. So they'll show the dealership card. After that, you can go ahead with the payment. Yes, ma'am. Ashwini ma'am, I have showcased 3 colors, 3 or 4 colors in my neck piece. This is Rani. Rani with a beautiful zigzag pattern border. आपको complete body, so completely a zigzag pattern. Okay, complete in a copper zari. Video not clear. Pinky ma'am को video not. Ma'am, please check the network, ma'am. Your network, please check, Pinky ma'am. This is the pallu, beautiful pallu, and इसका blouse piece. कभी-कभी आपका network weak होता है तो video blur आता है. So from my end the video is clear. Okay, this is the blouse piece. इसका प्राइस क्या है?
1399.
9. नहीं, 1399 उसका है zigzag का.
ये वाला लास्ट वाला. इसका प्राइस
क्या कर रहे हैं आप लोग? ऐश्वर्या फोन पर मत खेल. दिखाओ अपडेट्स में देखते हैं. $1,999 free shipping is the price for this saree. The price of the saree is $1,999 free shipping. Okay, that's the complete look. Saree number 34.
35.
Saree number 35. Okay, saree number 35. It's a tomato red, the one what I'm wearing today. Tomato red color saree with a beautiful zigzag weaving. Thank you, Ani ma'am. Nirmala ma'am, hi ma'am. Yeah, this is the back. Okay, that's the complete look. Self color pallu and the self color blouse piece will come. 1,999 free shipping. Saree number 25, gold and sapphire blue. Want to take a screenshot, ma'am? Gold and sapphire blue. Please check with my team. They'll give the photograph, Pavitra ma'am. So photograph. My team is keeping the photograph. Please check with my team. They'll give you the photograph. Okay, this is saree number 35. Okay, 1,999 free shipping.
36.
36, saree number 36. It's a green. Thank you, Smriti ma'am. Please show 33 once. 33 Edma.
The last.
I'll check ma'am. 33 with saree. I'll check. This is green. So this is green. आपको ऊपर mild weaving आ जाएगा. This is your mild weaving on the upper side, and this is the lower side. Phone silent रखा. This is the lower side. Okay. आपको dark color में आ जाएगा. 33 या. So this is 33 ma'am. Somebody asked me 33. This is 33. Okay, and this is the pallu. ये आपका पल्लू, ग्रैंड पल्लू एंड द ग्रैंड ब्लाउज पीस. ओके, डायमंड पैटर्न का ब्लाउज पीस आ जाएगा. 1,999 फ्री शिपिंग. डू यू हैव ब्लैक इन दिस? नो स्मृति मैम, इसमें ब्लैक नहीं है. अब सेलम प्रोडक्ट में पूछ रहे तो आई हैव वेरी सिमिलर टू ब्लैक कलर, ग्रे कलर में अवेलेबल है. ओके, माया मैम, हाय मैम. सो दैट्स योर कंप्लीट सारी. सारी नंबर 36, 1,999 फ्री शिपिंग. 37, सारी नंबर 37. इट्स अ क्रीम कलर सारी. Thank you, Uma ma'am. Thank you so much. So this is saree number 37 in a cream color. Okay, so that's the look. Okay, आपको बॉडी में बुट्टा वगैरह कुछ नहीं है, so you'll get a completely zigzag pattern. Thank you, Uma ma'am. Thank you so much. That's the pallu. It's a heavy pallu in the heavy blouse piece. 1,999 free shipping is the price for this saree.
38.
38. It's a neon yellow. 38 saree number. It's a neon yellow. Radha ma'am, please check the description box, Radha ma'am. The booking links are available in the description box. Thank you, Babita ma'am. Thank you so much. That's your neon yellow. Fabric is Banasi soft silk. Okay, that's the pallu and the blouse. Okay, that's the complete look. 1,999 free shipping. Is it yours too? Ma'am, we are open till 6 o'clock, Dhanashri ma'am. You can walk in. Anytime you can walk in.
39.
Between 11 to 6. So, and also Sunday we are closed. We are working from Monday to Saturday. So this is magenta, saree number 39. This is dark magenta. Saree number 39 is dark magenta. That's the heavy pallu and the heavy wala blouse piece. 1,999 free shipping is the price for this saree. इसके बाद थोड़ा ज्वेलरी दिखाएंगे. साड़ी नंबर 40. इट्स अ सफेद ग्रीन कलर कॉम्बिनेशन. आपको सेल्फ कलर का पल्लू एंड द सेल्फ कलर का ब्लाउज पीस. आई एम फ्रॉम बैंगलोर, शिल्पी मैम. आई एम फ्रॉम बैंगलोर. So this is sapphire green, beautiful sapphire green color with the self pallu and the self color ka blouse piece. 1,999 free shipping is the price for this saree and the number 40. Saree number is 40. It's a dark sapphire green color saree. Sure, Dhanashri ma'am. Welcome ma'am.
41.
41. It's a light cardamom green. Saree number 41. It's a cardamom green. Okay. 41 साड़ी नंबर, ब्यूटीफुल कलर, पेस्टल में जा रहा है कलर. दिस इज द पल्लू and the blouse piece. Okay, it's a light cardamom green color saree, 1999 free shipping. You're welcome, Shilpi ma'am.
42.
42 साड़ी नंबर 42 थोड़ा डस्की रमा में जा रहा है. So this is little dusky rama. Ma'am, I'm in Bangalore, Ramurthy Nagar, Bhavna ma'am. Okay, this is dusky rama blue color saree. Sonal ma'am, please check the description box above my video. This is the pallu. लक्ष्मी ये क्या है देखो बाद में, ये थोड़ा डैमेज जैसा लग रहा है, क्या है बाद में देखो. And this is the blouse piece. Okay, 1999 free shipping. Bangalore Ramurthy Nagar Nitya ma'am, Ramurthy Nagar.
43.
43 saree number 43. It's dark navy blue.
Last color.
Last color in this catalog. I have one more catalog to show you in the saree. So in between I'll showcase few of the jewelries. Sudha ma'am, I am from Ramurthy Nagar, Bangalore. And this is the pallu and the blouse piece. 1999 free shipping. Okay, this is the pallu. I mean blouse piece for this saree. Saree number 43. Okay, I have one more catalog. So let me showcase the jewelries. So again I'll move to the sarees. ये मेरा नेक पीस निकाल दो. So this neck piece price is 1899 and this is the fusion of gold and the silver. You can check this. Yeah, this is the fusion of gold and the silver. So that's your long. So that's your long chain. Okay, ये आपको long में जा रहा है. Okay, this is with a black polish and the gold polish. ये आपका gold and the black polish with a beautiful घुंघरूस. Okay, ये आपका silver replica का घुंघरूस है with a multi color stones, and that's your kundans. So kundans and the red stones has been done on the jewelry with a beautiful gajra motifs. Okay, so that's the complete look. इसके साथ earring है ना? सारे यहाँ इंडिया होता है. So this is your cute earring for this jewelry. 1899 free shipping. That's your beautiful very small earring. Okay, 1899 free shipping is the price for this beautiful set. ये आपको broad set है, broad में आ जाएगा ये. Okay, okay, 1899. ऐसे ही दिखाओ, ओपन करो. So one more set in blue. Okay, ये आपको ब्लू में जाएगा. 1799 is the price for this set. तो ये आपको यहाँ पे हैंगिंग है नेक पीस में. So that's your Mona Lisa stones has been used on this jewelry. ये Mona Lisa stone है. That's your Mona Lisa hanging with the gajra motifs and beautiful silver polish. Silver black polish में आ रहा है with a beautiful multi stone. Okay, ये आपका complete look. इसका 1799. 1799 free shipping is the price for this set. Radha ma'am, there is no booking number. Please come out from the video. Don't check my video for some time. Go to my page, and my video is running on my page, no? So you just check the description box just above my video. Check the description box. This is the earring for this set. Okay, multicolor stone with a Mona Lisa hanging. 1799 free shipping is the price for this set. Okay, the long one is 1899 and this short one is 1799. इसको निकालना पड़ेगा. आपने जो वेयर किया उसका प्राइस इज 1999 मैम. So this is one more in a silver replica. This is little heavy. Heavy in the sense the jewelry is lightweight, but the look is little heavy with a beautiful Mona Lisa stone. This is in sea blue color. The stone is in, the Mona Lisa beads is in sea blue. So that's your silver. आपको सिल्वर साड़ी के साथ जाएगा. This is 2299 free shipping without earrings. So 2299 free shipping is the price for this set. Okay, this is one of the heavy piece it is. Heavy designer piece it is. 2299.
और एक कलर
उसमें और एक कलर है डार्क मेरून. Yeah, this is dark maroon with a silver polish, silver black polish. Okay, that's your Mona Lisa stone with a beautiful gungroos, black gungroos. Video bahar aaye to description box mein sari one sari PDF. Yes, yes, yes. My team Madangi ma'am is explaining. If you come out from the video, the links are available in the description box. According to the sari number, we have given the link. We have allocated dedicated link for each saris. Okay, so this is one more piece. So these are designer piece. It will go well with your linen saris and the silver saris. It will go. Silver weaving saris. It will go. This is heavy piece. 2299 free shipping is the price for this set. So I have 3 colors available in this set. डालो लक्ष्मी ऊपर से डालो. एक मिनट. टाइट कर दिए. Okay, this is one more fusion of silver and the gold. Okay, I have 3 colors available in this set. इसके साथ matching earring भी है. Yes, this is the matching earring for this set.
1950.
1950. 1950. 1950 is the price for this set. ये आपका matching. Okay, तो ये आपका gold polish and this is your silver polish with the multi stone and the gajra motifs. Okay, that's the complete look. ये जो है आपका complete look आ जाएगा. This is the complete look of the set. Okay, in this I have colors available. So one is maroon. So this one is sea blue. So what I'm wearing is sea blue. My blouse is not available, Rekha ma'am. So this is over. We sold some 6 months back. That is over. This is maroon. ये जो है dark maroon with a matching earring. Maroon color का matching earring आ जाएगा. Yes. This is the matching earring for this set. Okay. 1950 free shipping is the price for this set. Okay, so these are not casting. These are not casting. These are handmade. Okay, so this carving is handmade, not casting one. Okay, 1950 free shipping is the price for this set.
और एक
Valsamma ma'am को कौन सा साड़ी sold? Ma'am, which saree is sold out, ma'am? Let me know. So this is one more. This is in a like பவழம் சொல்லுவாங்கலப்பா. என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க பவழம்? English. டக்குன்னு எனக்கு ஞாபகம் வரல. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? ये स्टोन का कलर रेड कलर कोरल कोरल कोरल. So this is coral color. Coral with the green color combination. So this is coral with a fusion. Okay, gold and the silver fusion. इसका earrings coral with a green color combination. Okay, 1950 free shipping is the price for this set. Request to please keep open pic of the saree sometime. Ma'am, seriously, Shobana ma'am, we have zero time to capture the pictures. Seriously, even my breakfast time is 12 o'clock. My lunch time is 3 o'clock. So as soon I'm finishing one work, I'm running for even my here. You don't trust me. 6 staffs are working here. All of them are busy. So they don't get time to even talk also. So walk-in customers are coming. Some customers are coming in a video call. So all the time we are busy. So open picture is very difficult, ma'am. If you open the sari, somebody has to fold the sari. So that's why before we go live, anyways, in live we are opening the sari. Each and every sari we are opening. So for this reason only we are not giving the open picture. Main thing is time. Time is not there. This is jute. ये आपको लगाना है. Yes, this is jute. Simple jute earring. So this is made up of jute. ये जो है जूट के धागा में हुआ है with a simple work. Okay, ये आपका बहुत simple work में हुआ है. So that's your simple work on the jute fabric. जूट के ऊपर हुआ है. So this is the look. 799 है ना? Yes, 799 is the price for this set. बहुत simple है. Pics of Khadi Jarjar. Sunita ma'am, please get in touch with my team. Okay, जो भी available pieces है मेरा team आपको भेजेंगे. This is with the completely in a jute fabric. 799 free shipping. शरण्या दे दो.
मेरी साइज Earring alage.
This is with the somonite stone. So you can check the stone. So the stone name is called somonite and the back foiling is done on this stone. So this is in a silver color. Okay. Yeah, open it. So this somonite stone neck set has got beautiful cute earring. ये आपका बीच में है, इसका नाम है somonite stone. Okay, with the back foiling के साथ ये AD stones. So completely the stone is, I mean the earring is covered with the AD.
1960 now.
Yes, ये आपका इयरिंग है विद सोमोनाइट स्टोन. ये आपको बहुत ही शाइन देगा. सो दिस इयरिंग विल गिव यू लॉट ऑफ शाइन. ओके, सेंटर में बड़ा सा स्टोन है सोमोनाइट. दैट्स योर बैक फॉइलिंग विद द एडी. सो कंप्लीट इयरिंग इज कवर्ड विद द एडी. इसके साथ मैचिंग इयरिंग दिखा देती हूँ. दिस इज द मैचिंग नेक पीस फॉर दिस सेट. ये आपका मैचिंग नेक पीस है. ओके, 1950 फ्री शिपिंग है ना. 1950. ये आपका सोमोनाइट का बड़ा बड़ा स्टोन है विद एडी, सिल्वर एडी में कवर हुआ है.
1960 now.
1960. 1960 फ्री शिपिंग इज द प्राइस फॉर दिस सेट. ओके, ये आप देख सकते हैं 1960 फ्री शिपिंग. दिस इज द सेट. बैक फॉइलिंग भी हो गया इसका. सो दिस इज द सेट 1960.
हाँ मैम.
सो वन मोर. छोड़ दो, मैं ऐसे दिखा देती हूँ. So this is one more with a fusion of gold and the silver. ये आपका गोल्ड में आ जाएगा with the kundans, with the black color polish, with the water white stones. ये जो है स्टोन वर्क है water white कलर का. And this is the set. Okay, इसका प्राइस क्या है?
1799.
1799 free shipping is the price for this set. Okay, 1799 free shipping is the price. इसमें इयरिंग है? नहीं है, इसमें इयरिंग नहीं है. So this is statement piece, so earring will not come. So this is the closer look of the set. So water white color का stone है and this is your yellow stone. So that's your kundan in the gold polish. छोटा सा gold polish में kundan दिए हैं with a black silver polish. Okay, so this is the complete set. So long one, I have one long one. Price क्या है इसका?
1090.
Okay, so this is the long one. आपका छोटा सा मटर माला आ जाएगा. That's your small मटर माला and that's the pendant. Okay, 1060.
90.
1090 is the price for this set. Okay, ये आपका pendant है with a beautiful sleek matramala. 1090 free shipping is the price for this set. इसका प्राइस क्या है?
1999.
डालो लक्ष्मी. So this is again in a silver black polish. पूरा कंप्लीट कर दी क्या? थोड़ा लूज करो, लूज करो, लूज लूज और भी लूज करना है. लूज करो. Yeah, this is your long, so you can adjust the rope. So how much length you want, you can adjust the rope. And this is the big pendant. ये आपको black polish में आ जाएगा with the beautiful corals and the green stones with the kundan and the red ruby has been given. Okay, so this is your moti hangings and that's your black polish. ये आप polish देख सकते हैं. This is the black polish and this is the long one. ये आपका प्राइस, ये प्राइस बताओ.
1999.
1999 free shipping is the price for this set. ये जो सेट है 1999. ब्यूटीफुल कलेक्शन. थैंक यू श्यामिनी मैम. 1999. थैंक यू रेनू मैम. 1999 फ्री शिपिंग. यहाँ पे बीच बीच में आपको कुंदन आ जाएगा विद गोल्ड पॉलिश एंड दैट्स योर ब्लैक सिल्वर पॉलिश. कंप्लीट ब्लैक कलर का पॉलिश है. ओके, सो दिस इज द कंप्लीट सेट. दैट्स योर बिग पेंडेंट. ओके, 1999 फ्री शिपिंग. माई ब्लाउज नॉट अवेलेबल मैम. 1999 फ्री शिपिंग इज द प्राइस फॉर दिस सेट. निकाल पूरा लूज करो. इधर से आगे से निकाल दो. So this is crystal beads, not hydro beads. So this is crystal beads used in this mala. Okay, क्रिस्टल बीड्स के साथ पाची कुंदन. Okay, this is the set. So hydro beads is little expensive. The normal crystal beads are beads will come in a reasonable price. Okay, ये आपका set है. So this is the set. Okay, dark green color का crystal stones has been used in this jewelry. उसका matching earring. Yes, this is the matching earring for this piece. Okay, Mona Lisa and the Pachi Kundans has been used in this jewelry. इसका प्राइस क्या है?
1020 मैम.
1020. 1020. 1020 free shipping is the price for this jewelry. Okay, you can adjust the rope. Rope has been attached. You can adjust it. 1020 free shipping. So that's the pendant. The Mona Lisa and the Gajra motis. Okay, this is your crystals has been done on your beads. हो गया ना इसका?
हाँ.
1020 free shipping is the price for this set. So one more masterpiece with a black polish, silver black polish. उसके साथ pink color का stones है with Gajra moti and the Mona Lisa stone. Okay, this is the set. The price क्या है? 1999. 1999 free shipping is the price for this set. Okay. इसका earrings है क्या? Yes, beautiful earrings. Okay, इसका beautiful earring है, matching earring. 1999 free shipping. यहाँ पे हाथी है. So that is the hand carving done on this jewelry. Okay, 1999 free shipping is the price for this set. Okay, 1999. बाद में बोलो. Yeah, one more long. The price of the long is 1899. This long set का price है 1899. So that's your long set. Okay, that's your pastel sea blue color. Sea blue color का stone with a light baby pink color का Mona Lisa beads and the hydro beads has been used in this jewelry. Okay, ये आपका complete set है with the earrings. Earrings है ना इसमें? Yes, ये with the earrings के साथ आ जाएगा 1899. Yeah, this is the long neck piece with the earring. Okay, ये आपको earring के साथ आ जाएगा. Yeah, this is the earring. 1899 free shipping is the price for this complete set. One? Okay, so this is only the neck piece. So we'll get a beautiful black polish again. Silver ka replica piece with a black polish. And the red color stone and the Mona Lisa stones has been done on this jewelry. 1899 free shipping. So that's the single piece without earring. 1899 free shipping. Okay. You can pair it up with all the silver border sarees. Mix match कर सकते हैं. 1899 free shipping is the price for this set. So moving to the one more silver replica. Okay. उसमें आपको मोनालिसा का बीड्स आ जाएगा. कुंदन वर्क has been done on the मोनालिसा beads. That's your silver black polish. Okay. ये आपका set. So sea blue and the sea green color combination. Okay. ये आपका neck piece है. उसके साथ matching earring. This is the matching earring for this set. 1899 free shipping is the price for this set. Okay. बीच में आपको कुंदन stone आ जाएगा with a black silver polish. Okay. This is the set. 1899 free shipping is the price for this set. तो इसमें और एक set है मेरे पास with the light orange color का मोनालिसा. ये थोड़ा short है. 1899. Okay. This is one more. So this set comes with multicolor, sea blue, sea green and the orange color का multicolor stone का work है. So this is the closer look. Okay, you will get a Mona Lisa and the Kundan stone with a black polish. Okay, this is the complete look. 1899 free shipping. Earring के साथ आ रहा है. Okay, this is the neck piece. This is the earring. 1899 free shipping is the price for this set. Shova ma'am, thank you ma'am. So moving to the few of the earrings. I have big jhumkas. So if anybody fond of big silver jhumkas, I have got today. पहले झुमका कुछ नहीं करेंगे. Silver झुमका. Yes. किसी को झुमका बड़ा झुमका चाहिए मतलब तो I have a big झुमका. Big cute झुमका in a silver. Okay. ये आपका सिल्वर पॉलिश में ब्लैक सिल्वर पॉलिश में आ जाएगा. इसका प्राइस क्या है?
625 ma'am.
625 is the price for this jhumka. Okay, 625 free shipping is the price for this jhumka. So this is the plastic beads. Plastic beads जैसा है ये. Okay. So this is the jhumka 625. ये बड़ा सा झुमका है. Very big jhumka it is. Okay. So this is the pack. 625 free shipping. So in black color. So one more in a black color. 625 free shipping is the price for this jhumka. Okay. This is 625. So one more in a hanging. उसका price क्या? उसका price है 625. Okay. So this is one more in a hanging. ये जो है बड़ा hanging में आ रहा है. Okay. This is the look. 625 free shipping is the price for this big jhumka. Okay. 625 free shipping. I have a big hanging jhumkas in gajra motifs and the gold moti. ये जो है ना गोल्ड कलर का मोती है उसमें ब्लैक पॉलिश. ओके. ये ब्लैक पॉलिश में कवर हुआ है. उसके साथ ब्लैक पॉलिश का silver replica piece with a multi stone and a beautiful Mona Lisa stone has been used in this jewelry. 899. तो ये जो earring का shipping charges separate है. If you are buying along with the sari, I am making free shipping for this earring. Otherwise इसका price 50 rupees आपको shipping charges लगेगा इस झुमका especially. Okay. So this is the big झुमका in a beautiful Mona Lisa stone. 899. So if you are buying only the झुमका, the shipping charges 50 rupees will be extra. If you are buying along with any of the products, saris or blouse और एक ज्वेलरी के साथ ले रहे हैं तो completely I am making free shipping for this झुमका. So I have yellow in this. This maroon I have 2 pieces. ये थोड़ा brick maroon जैसा है. Very pretty on you. Thank you Shanti ma'am. Thank you so much. Blouse तो हो गया सुनंदा मैम. Blouse तो खत्म हो गया. So this is maroon. Maroon color का झुमका है ये. So 899 is the price for this झुमका. So that's the beautiful big झुमकास.
इसमें भी 2.
Okay, sea blue. Next निकाल. This is sea blue. हाँ, ये आपका beautiful sea blue color झुमका 899. No ma'am, not at all heavy डोरा मैम. Very lightweight. Very lightweight झुमका है बस. ये फ्यूजन है. ये आपको गोल्ड कलर का मोती दिए हैं. ये ऑर्डिनरी मोती है ये. ओके. सो ऑर्डिनरी मोती दिए है विद सिल्वर पॉलिश विद मोनालिसा स्टोन. सिर्फ ये मोनालिसा स्टोन के लिए ये थोड़ा कॉस्टली है. और ये जो कार्विंग की है ना, सो दीज आर नॉट कास्टिंग, दीज आर हैंडमेड. तो इसीलिए थोड़ा एक्सपेंसिव है. 899. सो दिस इज ग्रीन, ग्रास ग्रीन कलर का झुमका. ये 899 is the price for this झुमकी. Okay. Coral color, red color. So this is red. Okay, this is red color. This is the look. Red color ka झुमकी 899 is the price for this set. This is very lightweight. You can trust me. This is very lightweight jewelry. You can carry for whole day. Thank you, Meenakshi ma'am. Great on all you wear. Thank you, Chaya ma'am. This is blue. ये आपका ब्लैक नहीं है. दिस इज ब्लू. दिस इज मिडनाइट ब्लू. ओके, ये मिडनाइट ब्लू में जा रहा है. 899 इज द प्राइस फॉर दिस झुमकी. लास्ट है ना ये.
और एक है.
यस, ये लास्ट कलर है बेबी पिंक. ये आपका लाइट पिंक है. 899 इज द प्राइस फॉर दिस झुमकी. बैजयंती मैम, थैंक यू मैम. ये नहीं, ये बाद में दिखाऊंगी, बोली थी ना. ये स्किप करो. हो गया ना ज्वेलरी.
हाँ मैम, लास्ट.
I have so this one I have wore for one of my live. That one is 899 mint green with the pink color combination. This is 999. 999 free shipping is the price for this set. Okay, so this will be like this. You can pair it up with any saris. ये जो white color में आ रहा है, ये जो गजरा मोती. Okay, so you can pair it up with any saris. आपको कलर का फिकर नहीं है. So you can go up with any of the saris. You can pair it up this. Okay, all the saris and every color suits you. Thank you, Kavya ma'am. Thank you so much. 999 free shipping is the price for this earring. Okay. So I have one more sari to showcase. So one more set to showcase today. So let me complete this. Okay, uska price है 1399 free shipping. Green long jewelry, show me once again. Green long edupa? Green long jewelry. Okay, crystal green. I'll show Rajalakshmi ma'am. 1090 या 1060 आता है
1020.
1020 या okay 1020 ma'am. This is 1020. So this only you want to see, no, Rajalakshmi ma'am. This is 1020. Okay, nice collection. Thank you, Lata ma'am. My sari price is 999 ma'am. Okay, this is 1020 Rajalakshmi ma'am. हाँ एदु
Saree 099.
1999 चलिए 1999. Okay. So this is 1399 free shipping. Soft silk fabric में जा रहा है ये with a beautiful copper का zigzag weaving. Okay, this is the sari. 1999 is the price for my sari. Welcome Rajalakshmi ma'am. This is dark rani with a beautiful zigzag pattern, and that's your khadi zari kind of 4 inches of border. ये आपका border है, so that's your short border. Show me some. Shailaja ma'am, we have already done Salem soft silk, Shailaja ma'am. So once my live is over, you can check the recorded live. Okay, this is the pallu. So beautiful pallu, and this ka beautiful blouse piece. 1399 free shipping is the price for this sari. Is this same sari available? Available, Swain ma'am. Available. My sari is available. 4 pieces I am keeping in my sari. Okay, this is 1399 free shipping. This is Rani 44. My sari is not heavy, Meenakshi ma'am. Not heavy. Lightweight.
45. Huh?
45. Sari number 45. It's a peacock color. Peacock का neck का color है. Green with the sapphire combo. Okay, dual tone. Okay, this is the complete look. 1399 free shipping. That's your sari number 45. Okay, this is the pallu and the blouse piece. ये आपका blouse piece. इधर है blouse piece. ये वाला है blouse piece. Yes, this is the closer look of the blouse. 1399 free shipping is the price for this sari.
46.
46. Sari number 46. It's a grey color. Okay, grey में zigzag body with a copper zari का border. 1399 free shipping is the price. So this is the pallu. The matching jacquard blouse piece will come.
47.
Sari number 47, royal blue. I want to book. Swain ma'am, please check the description box, ma'am. Please go to my page and check the description box just above the video. Okay, this is royal blue with a magenta salvage. 1399 free shipping. Sari number क्या है इसका?
47.
47. Royal blue sari number is 47.
48.
48. Sari number 48. It's a dark magenta. Okay, sari number 48, dark magenta. 1399 free shipping.
Last color.
Sari number 49. It's a black. Sari number 49, pink color also I want. Swain ma'am, please check the description box, ma'am. I have given all the booking links. So it is easy for you to book the saris. And also, if you are booking multiple things, please book with any single person. So any single link, you can book all the saris. फुलेगा नहीं पूजा मैम, नहीं फुलेगा, साड़ी नहीं फुलेगा. मैं आपको कंप्लीट लुक भी दिखा दिया मैंने. So this is the pallu and the blouse. ये आपका blouse piece. 1399 free shipping is the price for this sari. That's your sari number 49. Black color. ये नहीं सीक्वेंस साड़ी. चारवी मैम आज तो नहीं है, मैं बाद में करती हूँ. सीक्वेंस का भी बाद में करती हूँ. You can check my sari. My sari number, no ma'am, there is no number. You can take a screenshot of my sari. Zarina ma'am, hi ma'am. So ये साड़ी नहीं फुलेगा मैम. This is very soft, soft silk category का साड़ी है ये. Okay, 1999 में जो वेयर की. खड्डी जार्जेट बनारस साड़ी. Yes, Uma ma'am, I do have. Please get in touch with my team. They'll give you the available sari photographs. Okay, that's all for today. So tomorrow I'll be meeting with some budget sari collection. Okay, budget sari के साथ कल आऊंगी. आपको चंदेरी, linen, and then samu satin, and few more brazos I'll be showcasing for tomorrow's live. Coin set, please restock. Coin set, ma'am. It's available. Which set, ma'am? Afghanistani set, Richa, ma'am. Afghanistani set. or which set, ma'am? I have 2 coin sets. Acha, oh, round wala coin set. Okay, ma'am. Let me try. So green and yellow combo. Last time I showcased. Yes, yes. Fusion wala. I'll try to restart Richa now. Don't worry. Okay, that's all for today. So tomorrow, stay tuned for 4 o'clock. I'll be coming with budget collection. Okay, that's all for today. I'm signing off now. Bye bye. Take care.